Hello and welcome everyone to this channel. My name is Kumar Saurabh, and today in this video tutorial we are going to learn about PostgreSQL drop column statement. Let's see what we are going to learn in this video. First, we are going to know about what is drop column statement or command in PostgreSQL. After this, we will know how to drop multiple columns in PostgreSQL. Then we will learn how to use the drop column statement with if exist clause in PostgreSQL. Then at the end of this video tutorial, we will know how to drop column with the default value in PostgreSQL. Let's start by discussing what is a drop column statement. In PostgreSQL, drop column statement is used to remove a column from a table. The basic syntax for dropping a column is as follows, you can see here. Now in this syntax, first specify alter table command, which means we are going to make some modification to the table. Then specify the name of the table where the modification will be done. After this, specify drop column statement to drop the column from the table and specify the name of the column that you want to drop from that table. Now let's see with an example how to use a drop column statement. Now suppose we have a table called customers with columns customer ID, name and email, and we want to drop a column email. For that we are going to write the query alter table, then we specify the name of the table, that is customers, and after that we specify the drop column statement to drop the column from the table. Then specify the name of the column that we want to drop from the customer table, and that the column is email. Now execute this query and see. Now in the output we can see that the query executed successfully. Let's view the customer table and see. As we can see that the customer table only contains two columns, that is customer ID and the name, and the email column removed from the table using the drop column command. This is how we can remove or delete the column from the table in PostgreSQL using the command drop column. Now move to the next topic, how to drop multiple columns in PostgreSQL. In PostgreSQL, you can use an alter table statement with a drop column clause to remove multiple columns from a table at once. To drop multiple columns, simply list them after the drop column keyword separated by commas. The syntax is same as we have learned in the previous topic, but instead of using a one drop column statement, here we are going to use a multiple drop column statement to drop multiple columns. Now let's see with an example how we can drop multiple columns. So for example, we are going to use the same table customers, and what we are going to do here is we are going to remove these both column from the table customer ID and name, and for that we need to specify the column name after the drop column statement. Then again type drop column, then specify the name of the column. Now execute the code and see. As we can see, code is executed successfully. Now view the customer table. As we can see, the customer table is empty, which means this table does not contain any columns. And before this table contained only two columns, that was a customer ID and name, and that we removed using the drop column. This is how we can remove multiple column from a table by using multiple drop column statements separated by commas. Now move to the next topic, how to use a drop column statement with if exist clause. So this statement is especially useful in a case where you are not sure whether a column exists or not, and you want to avoid error caused by trying to drop a non-existent column. So here is the syntax that you can see here. After a drop column statement, specify the clause if exist to check the column that already exists in the table or not. Let's quickly jump to example and see. Now, for example, we are going to use the same table customers, and let's assume that we don't know about the column name in this table that exists or not. So execute this statement, alter table, then specify the table name. After that, use a drop column statement with if exist clause to check whether column exists in table or not. Then specify the column name that we want to drop. Let's execute the code and see. Now we can see that it shows a message that a column name of a relation customer does not exist and skipping the alter table. So which means this query didn't find the column name in the table customers, and this query is not going to execute. Now what we're going to do here is we will execute this same statement without the if exist clause and see what happens. Now execute the code. Now as we can see, this time this query shows error, column name of relation customer does not exist. But when we use the if exist clause, then it didn't show any error. It shows that the column name doesn't exist in a table customers and the alter table command will not be executed. Now move to the last topic of this tutorial, how to drop column with a default value in PostgreSQL. So for dropping column that has a default value already set, we will use the same command, drop column, and then we specify the column name. So I'm not going to show any example because when we execute the statement drop column to drop any column from the table, it also removes the column with the associated default values. Now before we end this tutorial, let me tell you that we have a detailed post about PostgreSQL drop column on a website databasefacts.com. I hope that you have enjoyed video tutorial about PostgreSQL drop column statement. So at last I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you.